How to set the vivid filter default on your iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can actually make the vivid filter default on your iPhone camera. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. Well, so now to do that, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go ahead and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on camera. Under this one here, you get the preserved settings. You just need to tap on this one, and under this one, he'll get to see the creative controls. You just need to enable this feature, and once you have enabled, and he'll get to see it says the preserve the last used filters, aspect ratio, or light settings rather than automatically reset. So once you do that, this will actually remember your camera settings or filters. So if I get back from here, and if I open up the camera here and go to the filter, so if I apply any of this filter here, he'll get to see I have a filter this one. So if I force close the app, and if I open up the camera again, he'll get to see the filter is still there. And this is how we actually can use the vivid filter default on your iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.